In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Apex Trader Funding Tradovate account to TradingView. This step-by-step guide is designed to be easy to follow, ensuring that you can smoothly navigate the process. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is enable the TradingView add-on within the Tradovate platform settings. Start by logging into your Tradovate account at trader.tradovate.com. Once logged in, navigate to the application settings, which you can easily find by looking for the settings icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll want to focus on the add-ons tab. It's crucial to ensure that the TradingView integration is activated. This step ensures that your account is equipped to work seamlessly with TradingView. To make sure the changes take effect, log out and then log back into your Tradovate account. This reactivation is essential as it refreshes the system, ensuring that everything is set up correctly to proceed to the next steps. Now that you've activated the necessary add-on, let's move on to connecting Tradovate in TradingView. Start by logging into your TradingView account. With your account open, proceed to launch a TradingView chart. At the bottom of the chart screen, you'll notice a tab labeled Trading Panel. Click on this tab. Here, you'll be presented with a list of brokers. From this list, select Tradovate. A login pop-up will appear, prompting you to enter your Apex Trader Funding username and password associated with your Tradovate account. Here, you'll have the option to choose between demo or live trading mode, depending on your personal preference and readiness to dive into real-time trading. After you've entered your credentials and selected the desired mode, click Connect to initiate the connection process. Once connected, it's important to verify the linkage to ensure it's functioning as expected. Your Tradovate account will now be available directly within TradingView. This means you can select your account, adjust trading settings, and even add useful modules like a DOM, which stands for Depth of Market. This feature allows you to view real-time trading depth, providing valuable insights as you trade. To fully utilize the functionality of TradingView for live trading, make sure you have an active Tradovate Market Data subscription, which is provided by Apex Trader Funding. This subscription is crucial as it grants you access to real-time data, ensuring your trading activities are aligned with the latest market movements. There you have it, a straightforward and comprehensive guide to connecting your Apex Trader Funding Tradovate account with TradingView, enhancing your trading capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!